Okay, hello, WiLLo Davis. Just finished the last video literally seconds ago. About to start scoring the wallpaper. People love the wallpaper, but it's like old and whatever, and we're getting rid of it. Sorry. I'm gonna try at least. We'll see what I can do. Okay, snag in production. I was scoring away and accidentally jammed my thumb into like a metal bracket on the window meant to hold a curtain rod. Went right under the nail. Not gonna show you obviously, but went to the car, get some Band-Aids, sprayed down with some sanitizer stuff because I was wearing latex gloves. I don't want to know what kind of stuff was brewing inside of that dank glove. So sanitized it, Band-Aided it up in different ways. Throbbing pain, but gonna continue on, just be more careful. Still got this layer here. I don't know if I can hit it again with the spray or what, but that'll probably scrape off. This is coming off pretty easy. So excited about that. This part's easier than I thought it would be, so that's good. Good progress. So yeah, I'm just gonna spackle right now, get to that other stuff. Tomorrow, the floor steam and cleaner people are coming on the 1st, and that is also when our bedroom set is coming. So that's gonna be like, you know, our big day. And I'm pretty sure we're going to cancel our couch order from Ashley Furniture because let me go spackle. That's the day.
Okay, it is Monday the 31st. Tomorrow is the day for carpets getting cleaned. Bedroom set getting delivered. We just got confirmation that's getting delivered.
Are you emo?
You be the judge. It's 10:42 a.m. We just made it to Thick Lots, and we're gonna see if we can find maybe a new couch or something.
Yeah, because Ashley Furniture.
Yeah. Ashley, right? You, Ashley. And then maybe a TV stand.
And then maybe we go to TJ Maxx after to look at goodies.
We're gonna go check out the couches. Okay, back out. Sorry, I didn't get any footage of the inside of Big Lots. We found the couch that we saw online. Sat in it. It's nice. It's good. Great deal. So I think we're gonna go for it. We have to call Ashley and cancel the other thing. It's probably gonna be a fee. Oh, Jamie also got me a pumpkin muffin. Thank you very much. And
You're
a
welcome.
pumpkin spice latte with oat milk.
You're welcome.
Thank you very much, Jamie.
She said they were fresh.
So we'll figure out what's going on with that. I have to hit up Home Depot, get the stuff that I was trying to get yesterday, but it was closed. So I got the primer and the paint additive I needed. Now we're going to Bed Bath & Beyond to get a welcome mat, apparently.
Well,
You excited? Okay, so tomorrow is the day for carpets getting cleaned. There's my lovely thumb. I won't go into detail. I had to get some Neosporin involved. Floor's getting cleaned. Bed set getting delivered. That was supposed to come with coffee table and end table set, but that apparently got delayed like a week or something. Then I canceled the Ashley thing, the couches, because they're just taking too long. Was able to do that without getting an extra fee, thank God. Put primer on the whole bathroom. It's not my best work, but on 4 days of just trying to do this friggin' wallpaper, I just gave up and did what I could. It's a thing. This has all the lights in it now. It's so bright in here. So tomorrow, assuming I get the chance, I'll actually paint this. So that's gonna be epic. And so we're just cleaning up, we're getting stuff off the carpet so they can clean it, and that's the day. Tomorrow's September 1st.
Big day. Hello, it is now the day. It is Tuesday, September 1st. Garbage just got cleaned. Pretty freaking nice. Lots of crazy stuff going on today. So the bedroom set's getting delivered pretty soon. Anywhere in the next like 2 hours or something, apparently. Just waiting for the stuff to get here now, the bedroom set. Okay, here is the bedroom set, bed, nightstand, dresser with mirror. That's it.
Can we order another one of those?
You want another one of those?
Now I'm like all lost.
Oh, perhaps.
Okay.
We'll see. Very nice. Okay, it's that time again. There's a couple things from... Oh, I haven't checked the P.O. box in a while. I should probably do that. A couple things from Bed Bath & Beyond from that registry. So, gonna check it out now. What do we have here? Oh, ooh! Someone got the kitchenware set for... Oh, my God.
It's so nice.
You picked out a good one there. Oh, let me see. It must have like a... Oh! I found it. A gift for you. Enjoy your new home, Willow and Jamie. Heart XOXO. Zachary Michael.
Aww.
Are you kidding me, Zach?
That's so nice.
He knows we'd be in the kitchen.
Not me, you.
Hooking it up. Thank you very much,
Thank you, that was
Zach.
so nice.
Look at you.
What a kind soul.
Big box here. Not exactly sure what this is. Not exactly sure how to open it. Ooh, oh my God!
What?
Someone got us the knife block.
Oh my gosh.
Set. Hot dog.
Very nice.
I'll pull it out.
Very generous.
Oh my God, it barely fits in this box. Be careful with these, am I right? Dang.
You're happy?
Yes. I need a good chef's knife. Perfect. Oh my God.
Who was that from?
Too much. Everybody. With loads of love to you both from your adopted mama. Is that
Evelyn Rose.
Evelyn
Oh, that's so sweet. That's so generous.
Oh, yeah, it is.
Look how we knew. Always too kind.
Thank you very
Thank
much.
you so much.
Evelyn, I'm ready to cook now, right? Boom, boom, we're ready. Perfect.
I know, really. You're all hooked up.
Again, everyone, please, no obligation for anyone to send or buy anything. Again, I just made the registry because people wanted to know, and hey, clearly they meant it. It wasn't all just talk. But thank you so much, everyone.
Thank you so much
for picking up the things from the registry for us. Very nice to you. Hey, sorry, it's a few days later. I haven't really been like showing much since I think the last thing I showed was the bedroom set getting in, right? It's honestly things that's been like too stressful to even think about trying to explain it to the vlog. Huge problem trying to order our furniture. Basically I ordered furniture. This is the 5th time. I think this is the final time.
Our neighbor wants to say hi.
Okay. This was the neighbor Jamie was talking about.
Sorry to interrupt the vlog. She was
You
just
can't.
too
It's
cute.
focusing on the screen.
Oh
but...
no, I ruined everything.
It scared me for a second. This is the 5th time we're trying to order couches. I think this is it because we just decided not to go with any like website or anything because they've all let me down. But whatever, COVID, the big. Sorry, I'm sweating too. Lots of cleaning going on and stuff. Okay. So whatever. I think Tuesday is the final date for us getting couches and box spring. Unfortunately, also the box spring. So we're waiting on that. Mattress is here though. My friend Jeff helped me bring the mattress in, and him and his lovely girlfriend got us a nice house plant and a little thing like a boo ghost lawn ornament thing. This is the lovely plant.
Sorry.
Very good. Jamie's cleaning the screen to the windows. So what did I say? It's the 3rd. It's September 3rd now. We just got a new dishwasher, and I should show you that. I should show you that one. This entire vlog is just me pacing. I'm sorry. Just got in a new dishwasher. Get a load of that. Sorry, I know, just pacing and talking is just the entire video. I am currently opening, this is all this random stuff we have, opening a vacuum. That was from Tara and Naeem, as well as a lot of this stuff. I got a couple other things to open, things from Bed Bath & Beyond that came, so that'll be cool. Almost done with the bathroom.
Where's the toilet? I mean the paper towel.
Paper towel. It came out okay. It's fine. We're still cleaning stuff. I gotta like mop the floors and stuff, bleach the entire shower. We're getting new faucets in later in the week. I think the same day that couches are coming in, which is next Tuesday, the 8th or something. But it's fine. It's fine. The walls are like rough from me like prying the wallpaper off of them and whatever. But boom! Get a load of that. Nice and bright in here now. Shockingly bright. Look at me over there. And so yeah, we started moving a couple things in. Once we're gonna wipe down all the cabinets here and all this stuff, wipe down all the cabinets in the kitchen and like wipe down the fridge and everything. Then we have nothing holding us back from just like getting everything from our houses and bringing it over here. So that's where we're at. We're just about there. Pumped about it. I'm gonna continue cleaning, and then tomorrow's probably gonna be a big like moving stuff in day. Am I right?
What?
Tomorrow would be a moving stuff in day.
Potentially.
We gotta finish cleaning up.
Don't mind the filthy window.
Great neighbors around these parts. Yeah, the window is currently getting cleaned, so don't mind the smudges and stuff. Hi.
Hi.
Great neighbors. Friendly neighborhood, right?
True.
Nightmare on Elm Street.
Oh, really?
Freddy Krueger, yeah. What are you filming me? Are you filming me?
You look great right now.
How do you like my mask and shield?
Double masked up, neither one on your face. Go on.
I was saying we should all get Dead by Daylight and play it, and Will could vlog it and get a lot of views. A lot of views.
Oh, they got Leatherface.
Yeah. Oh, let's get it.
Yeah.
Still being filmed, right?
Hey, it's the 4th? September 4th, Friday. I just moved all my instruments in, all my guitars and basses. Currently unboxing this Cuisinart set of pots and pans that my mom so generously got for us, and they're pretty freaking cool. This is gonna be perfect for making some just egg omelets, I think. It's like a full set. It's like all that stuff. It all looks very nice. Very excited about it. There's also a couple of things from Bed Bath & Beyond I'll have to get to from the registry, because you're also so very kind and giving and wonderful. So let me get these all out. Okay, there's all the lovely items. Well, this is 2 things. There we go. Boom. And got a couple things here from Bed Bath & Beyond. One of them's a box. The box, can't really show you addresses and whatnot. Let's go ahead and pop this open. Let's see what we got here. Oh, it is the throw blanket, right? Blanket. Faux fur throw that Jamie picked out. We're gonna throw that on our couches Very nice. Great pick. Let's see. Hold on. Let me see. For throw. Gift message. Jamie and only Jamie. We can use this to keep. We can use this to keep our Chinese takeout warm. XOXO Sarah. See Ben.
Oh my god.
Thank you so much.
That was so sweet.
Must be for you to get a throw
I
blanket.
can't use it.
Looks very nice.
Thank you so much.
Dewey's gonna love it,
I
I'm
know.
sure.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
That was so
See,
fun.
Ben? One more thing here.
To keep the
Bag.
Chinese food warm.
Let's see. Oh!
Ooh,
Measuring cups and spoons.
Very handy, very handy.
The baker's dozen must be. Very nice, yeah.
We
that.
needed those. So
I know. For all of our baking.
Uh-huh.
Willow in the kitchen, am I right? Where's the
It's not on the back.
Oh no, I see it. A gift for you. Congrats on the new apartment with a smiley face and a heart. Triceratops.
Oh, that's so fun.
Thank you very much.
The two Sarahs.
Yeah, well, there's a lot more Sarahs than that, but thank you so much.
Really nice.
Triceratops.
Thank you.
Let's see, Ben. Hell yeah. Nice solid
Okay.
metal. Very nice.
Thank you, thank you.
Thank you, everyone. Oh wait, there's actually another thing. Okay, I did not see a packing list thing in this because it was just sent in just the actual box it comes in, not in like a Bed Bath & Beyond box. But I will keep an eye out to see if there is a message thing in here somewhere or like attached to the side or something. But I looked it up, and Evelyn Rose, Ev Rambles, not only got us that the knife set, but has gotten us a freaking Black & Decker microwave.
Nice. Thank you so much.
You're absolutely too much, Evelyn. Thank you so much. It's gonna come in handy, I'm sure. Trying out the Keurig thing. Just made an espresso and steamed some milk for a latte or whatever you do with it. There's some foam in it, and it's soy. I thought the soy wasn't really supposed to froth at all, but the only problem is those spouts over here, and I'm a lefty, but we're gonna try anyway.
There's foam. Look at
Yeah.
that. Oh my god. You could always add like sweetened syrup to the foam.
True. Yeah, I gotta get my my little skinny syrups that were sent to me. All right, I kind of stir this or something.
Delicious.
It's really freaking
Let
good.
me try.
It's really freaking good.
Oh my god. It's like a freaking coffee shop. Must be nice.
Thanks, Tara and Naeem.
Oh my god, that's really good.
Yeah.
Holy crap.
Hey, okay, it's Saturday, September 5th. Today I'm doing a bunch of laundry. We got a painted dresser, and I guess move that over, and I'll just be moving some other stuff over to the new apartment. So thought it was a good time to cut this one off, move on to potentially another move-in vlog. But hey, thanks for continuing to watch. Smash like for almost moving in. Hey, leave a comment down below. Tell me what kind of videos you're hoping to see that I can finally make once we move into the new place. Okay, so thanks again. I'll see you next time. WiLLo Davis, out.